So I just beat the mini games and the code was 2238. So I want to show y'all the open animation. Beautiful. So I opened the vault. This is very satisfying. And it also has a very satisfying closing animation. I want to show y'all that. Alright, this is the closing animation for it. It's about to close. So yeah, the vault does close. And if you're wondering what this leads to, it's actually pretty cool. This leads to a portal. And it used to be completely different. And it even has the little things from the last game. Forgot I almost beat. Hit the button. Yes, we go.
Kaboom!
After that, it should spawn in, whatever that is, but hey, at least he got a badge. But his electronics and his circuit board, his motherboard is still intact, meaning he could return. I just hope he gets updated soon, because the last time it was completely different to get him. Yay. Only 200 gold.
Lame.
Homie really said.